Recent release of Fed minutes indicates that the central bank expects this economic growth to continue through 2006. The blue chip consensus of private economic forecasters also...
With the recovery from the first storm barely underway, Hurricane Rita hit, causing additional destruction, especially to the energy production and distribution systems in the Gulf. These events are likely to exert a drag on employment and production in the near term and to add to the upward pressure on the general price level. But the prices of crude oil and refined petroleum products have now fallen significantly from their peaks, and repair and rebuilding activity is underway in many parts of the affected region. Outside the areas affected by the storms, economic fundamentals remain firm, and the U.S. economy appears to have retained considerable forward momentum. The effective augmentation of world supply and the accompanying disinflationary pressures. Although spending continued to rise gradually last year, the deficit in the unified budget dropped to $319 billion, nearly $100 billion less than the figure for fiscal year 2004, and a much smaller figure than many had anticipated earlier in the year. Lowering the deficit further in the near term, however, will be difficult in light of the need to pay for post-hurricane reconstruction and relief, which were allowed to lapse in 2002. Specifically, large deficits will result in rising interest rates and an ever-growing ratio of debt service to GDP. Unless the situation is reversed, at some point these budget trends will cause serious economic disruptions. And economic adjustments, which we learned over the last